Hi, I'm Dr. Dudley. What is the question of the week?
What is a heart murmur?
A heart murmur is a turbulent sound we hear with the stethoscope when we listen to the heart. Due to turbulent blood flow, the valves of the heart are not closing completely, and you get this unusual sound. So when we hear that, that means that we do have heart disease. It's very common in our smaller breed dogs. We see it every day in practice. When this occurs, we do recommend an EKG and an ultrasound. It's usually a progressive disease. It gets worse with age, so we want to be able to track it because eventually many of these patients do need heart medications. So to keep you out of the emergency room, we recommend when your pet is a senior or when the heart murmur becomes significant, that we do an ultrasound with this probe right here, very simple, against the heart, and an EKG with these little clips that we have on right now.